Brooklyn Hardware, LLC provides this video as a guide to securing a product that is hung using the extruded aluminum hanging hardware, Panelclip, Kingclip, and Vclipz. Always select and use appropriate and adequate fasteners to ensure that the product you are installing is secure. Secure your Panelclip, Vclip, or Kingclip to the back of your product with the wedge facing down. In this demonstration, we are using Kingclip. Now we are ready to hang our product on the wall. Note that I have pre-drilled the holes in the cement to anchor the Kingclip to. I'm going to set up here with wedge facing up, make sure that it's level. Now I'm going to secure it to the wall, and always talk to your hardware specialist about proper anchors. Cut a block of wood that is the thickness of your hanging material. Pre-drill an angled hole through your block and then continue that angled hole into your wall. Set your product onto your wall. Pre-drill a screw through your block and now secure it to your wall. And now your product is secure.